Hi boys and girls, this is Mrs. Salty. I'm going to do a read aloud today called Polar Opposites by Eric Brooks. So we're going to talk about what opposites mean and also learn a little bit about polar bears and penguins. So the word opposite means something that's different, right? So if I say up, the opposite is down. If I say hot, the opposite is cold, right? Okay, so polar bears and penguins are very opposite for many, many different reasons. If you see the first page of my book, a polar bear lives kind of in one place and the penguin lives in the other place. So one lives at the North Pole and one lives at the South Pole. Kind of interesting when you think about it. And always wondering why. Alex is a big polar bear. And Xena is a tiny penguin. So did you hear the opposite? So big and tiny. And I'll let you know that they're pen pals, so they write letters back and forth. Alex and Xena are polar opposites, which means they live at different poles. They live on opposite sides of the world. So if you look at our compass rose, north, east, south, and west, right? So one lives north, one lives south. Alex lives in the Arctic, so he's pointing to let you know where he lives. Look. Let's get a little closer on that one. There you go. Xena lives in the Antarctic, so that's all the way down here. She's pointing. Alex is mostly white with some black. And Xena is mostly black with some white. So look how they're opposite colors, right? Alex is shaggy and Xena is smooth. Polar opposites are very different. You can see from the picture, even their phones and the way that they communicate are really different. They're different in so many ways. Alex gets up late. And Xena rises early. Here she is, getting out of bed. So he's waking up at 10 and she's waking up at 6. Alex likes sour things and Xena likes sweet things. So I see some lemons and grapefruit and Xena has a sticky bun. Alex is messy and Xena is, what's the opposite? If he's messy, she is neat. So we could say she's very clean. Alex is loud. If you could think of polar bears, they usually like roar, right? But it looks like there's a lot of sound words here. And penguins, if you think about penguins, they don't really make a lot of noise. So Xena is quiet. Shh. Alex's favorite clothes are bright. And Xena's favorite clothes are not. Alex likes to travel fast. And what do you think about Xena? She likes to travel slow, and you could see that she's going with the turtle on the boat. Alex and Xena are very different. But even if you're different, you can always meet in the middle. And here you go. You can see they're meeting up as friends right in the middle, which is the equator. Look, there's a heart right in the middle of the earth. And that's they're meeting at the Galapagos Islands. Alex and Zena, Galapagos Islands, 2010. Look at them having fun on the beach, right? Exploring. You have some hugs, some underwater action, and some ice cream. They're having a great time. And then they say at the end, see you next year. Wow. I hope you enjoyed this story, and I'll see you soon. Have a great day.